Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a couple of videos that y'all might want to check out. Yesterday on Sunday, we went over all the new coupons and glitches that we have at Dollar General this week. Plus, late Saturday night, I did upload my clearance event haul round 2. So if you guys want to check out that video, I'd really appreciate it. Now, I also want to go ahead and take a quick second to thank each and every single person out there who watched my clearance event videos, watched them all the way through, hit the thumbs up button, left comments, and shared those videos, because I put in a ton of work. Now, I do have some improvements to make, so next go around, it's going to be a lot better, I think. But I just want to thank you guys so much, because on every single one of those videos, for the most part, the views were up. YouTube was recommending them to more people. We got some new crazy couponers in our community now, so thank you guys so much. And I know that I've said this a couple of times over the last week, but you guys really do hold the power to make or break these videos. And I think a lot of people just really don't understand how important it is and how far hitting that thumbs up button goes and leaving a smile down in the comment section. All of those things really do help your girl out tremendously. Plus, I'm sharing all of this information with you all for absolutely free. We're not doing memberships. We're not doing donations. We're not doing paid groups. None of that stuff. Everything that I know, all the tips and tricks, I'm sharing with you guys. So I really appreciate it when everybody, bands together, hits that thumbs up button, leaves comments, and shares the video. It really makes my day. All right, now I don't want to waste your all's time, so let's go ahead and jump right into the new clearance markdowns, and these will begin starting on Tuesday, March the 7th. All right, so first up, we have back to school hardware going down to 25% off, and I am going to get you all visuals ready for this category, so just stay tuned for that. Next up, we also have fall and winter hardware going down to 25% off. Also, stay tuned, visuals are coming. And the same thing here, we have winter hardware going down to 25% off starting on Tuesday, March the 7th. Now, our next category, we have red triangle socks going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, March the 7th. We also have gray dot apparel going down to 50% off starting on March the 7th. Now, I do already have some visuals ready to go for this category, so here's just a few of them. We have some pajama sets, men's, women's, and kids. You want to be on the lookout for the gray dot on the price tag. And make sure that y'all check out your regular sock and t-shirt section in your store, where they have like the underwear and the socks, because that is where my store put their display of a lot of these gray dot items. And then also check your end caps, because I've been finding a lot of gray dot items there as well. Up next, we have tons of toboggans and beanie hats. So you want to be on the lookout for these. We've got men's, women's, and kids in probably every single color of the rainbow. And pretty much the same thing goes for all of the gloves and the mittens. They have all kinds of different sizes, from little tiny baby gloves all the way up to adults, men's, women's, and kids in every single color that you could possibly imagine. Now, I do want to go ahead and give you all a little heads up with this category. In my experience, or I guess I should say in my area at least, these items tend to stick around. So you really don't have to worry about purchasing them at 50 or 70% off. I usually grab at least a couple things at 90% off if we need them. But this is definitely a category where I've had pretty good luck finding them at a penny. So just keep that in mind. And for our last new clearance markdown starting on Tuesday, March the 7th, we have Blue Star toys going down to 90% off, which means they're going to penny out really soon. But you guys, let me know down in the comment section below, have any of you had any luck finding Blue Star toys in your area? Because I've been checking the sky shelves and everything, and I have not found one Blue Star toy. I thought for sure that some would pop up during the clearance event, and I also have 2 stores that are getting ready to do inventory, so they are clearing out a lot of stuff and marking them down on clearance super cheap. But I haven't found anything. And I've also asked the employees about it. I'm like, hey, I just want to see what they look like, you know. And I haven't found any Blue Star toys whatsoever. So you guys let me know how y'all are doing on that down in the comments. All right, now moving on into our penny list starting on Tuesday, March the 7th. Keep in mind that we do not ask employees about penny items. All you have to do is go into the store, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video, scan them with your Dollar General app, and make sure that you have your correct store location set. If the item scans at 000 or 001, that means that you have found a penny item. All right, so first up, we have our Valentine pop-up cards going down to just 1 penny, as well as all of our Super Bowl party supplies going down to 1 penny. Now, I do want to go ahead and give a big shout out and thank you to Becky. She found some of the 8-count Super Bowl plates and she sent in a picture with the UPC. So here is at least one of the items that we should expect to penny out on Tuesday, but I have still yet to find them at any of my stores. All right, next up, we have the Rexall Men's Multivitamin Gummies 60 count going down to just 1 penny starting on Tuesday. And then we also have the Rexall Children's Multivitamin Gummies 60 count going down to just 1 penny on Tuesday, as well as the Rexall Women's Multivitamin Gummies going down to just 1 penny. All right, next up, we have some Rexall Naturalist Vitamins. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce that correctly. So it's a 40 milligram, 30 count. Be on the lookout for those. The next one I did not have a picture for, but it is the Rexall Naturalist Healthy Heart 60 count vitamins. And then we also have the Rexall Cinnamon Capsules 90 count, 1000 milligram. All right, and last but certainly not least, we have the DG Health Complete 50 Plus Multivitamin 125 count. Now, there were 3 different pictures that popped up with this UPC code, so there are all 3 of those for you all. Be on the lookout because these will all be a penny starting on Tuesday, March the 7th. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but before you all go, one last thing. I just want to go ahead and let you all know that for the next couple of weeks, your girl is going to be taking it easy. Now, I will still be posting my staple videos, so new coupons on Sundays, penny list, and probably $25 scenarios as well. So I'm still going to have you all covered on pretty much all of the basics, but your girl really has to try her best not to upload as many videos for the next couple of weeks. Now, that is a whole lot easier said than done, but I have a lot of important things that I need to get taken care of. It's tax season. We have soccer season right around the corner, plus I have a couple of really important birthdays to plan for. So I just have to get some of the things, you know, in my personal life, get organized, get all of the things done, and then I'll come back and we'll be full force, video after video, deal after deal. You guys will not even be able to keep up with me, right? So just be aware of that, but make sure that y'all stay tuned for our normal videos, Sunday new coupons, penny list, and $5 off $25 scenarios. All right, now I'm not going to keep you much longer because you guys know the drill. Subscribe, like, smile, and share the video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.